Tired of blowing money on that old clunker? Brooklyn-cashforjunkcars.com can help you. We'll give you cash for your junk car, truck, or van. If you can't move your vehicle, we'll tow it for free. We'll take care of all the paperwork and leave you with cash in hand. We've been a family-owned business here in Brooklyn since we've opened way back in 1959. Visit us online, Brooklyn-cashforjunkcars.com. Problems roll out, cash rolls in. Call or text now for a free, no-obligation quote. Brooklyn-cashforjunkcars.com. 516-567-2217. That's 516-567-2217.